Okay, so we're at a customer's house I was at a little while ago, earlier this year. Did a maintenance on it, let them know about a charge issue, and then they had us come back out a little while later because it started to not cool. I did some refrigerant and a leak sealer. Now we're back. The fan sounded like it was running, but I didn't hear a compressor, so I got the disconnect over there behind this bush. That's unplugged. I'm gonna get this door panel off and we'll see what's going on in here first. Okay, so the capacitor looks fine. Don't see any problems with it physically. Contactor was changed out last I was here. We're just gonna make sure it's not a issue of the compressor being off on thermal overload for any reason, which it's not. If it was, then I'd be seeing resistance for the fan motor instead of the compressor, so it wouldn't be like 2.2, it'd be like 40 or 50, something like that. So it's not tripped on thermal overload. So let's get this disconnected first, because I don't want to pop a fuse inside. Get you disconnected, and you get this all off. Okay. Let's use some, let's see, where's my, oh, where'd my wire strippers go? Hold on, set this down. Okay, there we go, wiring disconnected. I'm gonna set my meter to read microfarads. Get this on hermetic and common. Right there, I got the needle leads because I lost a lead already. Just bought these like last month, I think. And 0.3, that's not good. So we're gonna see if I've got this capacitor. I should do 40/5. I think I literally just had one of these delivered like last week or week before. So get a new one, get it swapped out. I think mine are a little bit bigger, so I'm probably also gonna need to get a screw to strap this thing down, the new one anyways. But get a new one in, we'll turn the thing on, we'll see. Should hopefully work. All right, so new 40/5s in. Compressor's pulling 7.7 amps. It's rated for 12.8. Blower's pulling 0.5, and it's rated for 0.5. Both are good. So I'm gonna use a little marker here. Oh, finger's cut. Mark the date on this capacitor, and it looks like that'll be our only issue, thankfully, which is great. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's it. Customer's cooling, system's running. They're happy. So now all I gotta do is finish writing this up and get some money and get out of here.